Good morning, students. Let's start with the chapter 5 Chemistry in Our Daily Life, class 10th. In this class, we will learn about acids, bases, salts, uses of acids and bases and salts. Let's start with acids. In our daily life, हम बहुत सारे fruits खाते हैं like all the citrus fruits. Citrus fruit मतलब जो कि खट्टे होते हैं like oranges, lemon, tamarind, etc. These all juicy and citrus foods are sour in taste. So means khatte. So tomatoes, these all contains acids. Acids की जो first property, let's start with the general properties of acids. First property of acids are sour in taste. Sour means like in tomatoes there are oxalic acid is present, in lemon citric acid is present, in oranges ascorbic acid is present, in vinegar acetic acid is present, in red and जब लाल चींटी काटती है तो हमको वहाँ पे हल्की सी जलन सी होती है, इचिंग भी होती है. Why? Because in the red end, when the red end stings, there is the formation of or it leaves formic acid at that place. रेड एंड जो होता है जब वो हमको स्टिंग करती है, हमको जब काटती है तो वहाँ पे वो फॉर्मिक एसिड का फॉर्मेशन करती है, वहाँ पे फॉर्मिक एसिड वो वहाँ पर छोड़ देती है. ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द फॉर्मिक एसिड्स हमको ईचिंग और जलन महसूस होती है. तो ऑल द एसिड्स आर सॉर इन टेस्ट. Second property, the acid turns blue litmus into red. Litmus is the indicator जो कि ये डिनोट करता है कि हम किस तरह से एसिड एंड बेस दोनों को डिफ्रेंशिएट कर सकें. तो all the acids turn blue litmus to red. Third property, acids are generally liquid in nature because it contains hydrogen. जितने भी एसिड्स होते हैं मोस्टली ऑल द एसिड्स आर liquids in nature. Next property, the pH of acid is less than 7. In our next class, we will learn what do you mean by pH. So the pH of acids are less than 7. These all are the general properties of acid. First, acids are sour in taste. Generally, acids are liquid in nature. The pH of acid is less than 7. All the acid turns blue litmus to red. Next, start with the bases. Let's discuss the general properties of bases. All the bases are bitter in taste. Bitter means कड़वा. जितने भी bases होंगे they all are bitter in taste. As opposite to the acids, all the bases turn red litmus to blue. अगर आपने एसिड में देखा था वो ब्लू को रेड में चेंज कर रहा था, बट इन बेसिस ऑल द बेसिस टर्न red litmus paper to blue. All the bases are soapy in touch, मतलब they are soapy, बहुत ही सॉफ्ट होंगे. जब आप उनको हाथ में लोगे तो वो बहुत ही चिकना होगा. तो they all are soapy in touch. They are soluble in water. All the bases are soluble in water. Like sodium hydroxide ले लीजिए, detergents हैं, soaps हैं. These all are the example of bases. To understand more clearly about acids and bases, many scientists gave their theories. In our chapter, we have three theories. First is Arrhenius theory, second is Bronsted and Lowry concept, and third is Lewis concept. First, we'll start with Arrhenius theory. The Arrhenius theory given by August Arrhenius in 1927. According to this theory, he said that all the acids are those substances which give H plus ions when dissolved in water. जितने भी एसिड्स होते हैं जब हम उनको वाटर के अंदर डिज़ोल्व करेंगे दे डिसोशिएट्स, वो टूट जाएंगे एंड दे विल गिव H प्लस आयन इन देयर सॉल्यूशन. वो अपने सॉल्यूशन के अंदर H प्लस आयन देंगे. बिकॉज the H plus ion does not exist alone. It again reacts with water and forms H3O plus ion or hydronium ion. So it conducts electricity. All the acid conducts electricity because it reacts with water and form hydronium ion. and at that time it liberates large amount of energy. So this is exothermic reaction because large amount of energy is liberated in this process. Now, according to the Arrhenius theory, bases are those substances which gives OH minus ion when dissolved in water. मीन्स जैसे हमने उसको कोई भी सब्सटेंस है, जो भी कोई भी बेस है, जब हमने उसको वाटर के अंदर डिज़ोल्व किया, इट डिसोशिएट्स इनटू इट्स आयन एंड इट गिव्स OH minus ion. Like if we will take the example of NaOH, sodium hydroxide. When it dissolves in water, it dissociates and gives two ions. First is Na plus and second is OH minus. So OH minus, when it gives OH minus ions, means NaOH is the base. So all the components which dissociates in water, are dissolved in water and gives OH minus ion or hydroxide ions, means they all are bases. All the bases are soluble in water and it also conducts electricity. So according to the Arrhenius theory, acids are those substances which gives H plus ions and bases are those substances which gives OH minus ions when dissolved in water. Next, move to our next theory, that is Bronsted-Lowry concept. It was given in 1923. According to this theory, acids are proton donor and bases are proton acceptor. Means जितनी भी एसिड्स होंगे वो प्रोटोन जो होता है उस प्रोटोन को डोनेट करेंगे एंड ऑल द बेसिस जब हम इसकी रिएक्शन कराएंगे दे ऑल एक्सेप्ट प्रोटोन. दिस इज द ब्रॉन्स्टेड-लॉरी कॉन्सेप्ट. Next, move to Lewis concept. Lewis concepts were given by scientist Lewis. According to this concept, acids are those substances which accept electron pairs, जो कि इलेक्ट्रॉन के पेयर को एक्सेप्ट करेंगे ड्यूरिंग द रिएक्शन, ड्यूरिंग द कॉम्बिनेशन, और वो कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड का फॉर्मेशन करेंगे. एंड बेसिस आर दोज कंपाउंड विच डोनेट द इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर, वो इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर को डोनेट करेंगे एंड दे विल फॉर्म द बॉन्ड. तो लेविस clearly mentioned that acids are electron pair acceptor and bases are electron pair donor. According to the Arrhenius theory, there are two types of acids and bases on the basis of their nature. The first is concentrated acids and bases and the second is dilute acids and bases. Concentration means ऐसे सब्सटेंस या ऐसे एसिड्स, स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड्स विच कम्प्लीटली आयोनाइज इन वाटर. ऐसे एसिड्स और बेसिस जो कि व्हेन हम उनको वाटर के अंदर डिज़ोल्व करेंगे इट कम्प्लीटली डिज़ोल्व इन वाटर एंड गिव्स आयंस, वो वाटर के अंदर कम्प्लीटली डिज़ोल्व हो जाएंगे. तो दिस ऑल आर नॉन एज concentrated acids and bases. They are strong in nature like HCl, H2SO4. These are acids. KOH means potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide. These are the example of bases. Second one is dilute acids and bases. Dilute का means होता है adding of water. Dilution means addition of water. When we add acids and bases with water, it becomes diluted. वो dilute हो जाएगा and उसको हम dilution कहेंगे. On the dilution, all the acids and bases gets weak. वो क्या हो जाएंगे? weak हो जाते हैं. And so it is also known as weak acids and weak bases. On the dilution, all the acids and bases are incompletely ionized in water. Means वो उसमें पूरी तरह से dissolve नहीं हो पाते हैं. So this type of acids and bases are known as dilute acids and bases or weak acids and bases. And the examples are acetic acid, NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide. These all are the example of strong acids, bases and dilute acids and bases. Here we had completed our all the theories related to the acids and bases. Thank you.